I was eagerly waiting for Hostel Days because the first season was such a rage. It made me so emotional and nostalgic. So, Adarsh and Ehsas, or if I say Ankit and Akanksha, thank you so much for allowing us to embrace these emotions of college life. And we are so happy to have you at E Times today.
Thank you.
Thanks, Aditi. Likewise, we're glad you could relate to it.
So, I laughed my heart out watching season two's trailer. I want to know from each of you what was the atmosphere on sets like, and what was your happy moment or the most fun part shooting this time?
I think the atmosphere on set was 5x of what you see on camera. Like it
Okay.
was. I don't think there was a single dull moment around because Shubham and Harish and also Nikhil and Love and all these guys are so funny in real life.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah, you really got you have to hang out with them to know how funny they are. And we just had a complete blast here. It felt like a party for 1 month, honestly.
सत्यानाश.
What about you, Esas?
I think firstly, I was just very grateful to be back on set after the whole
Yeah.
lockdown and everything. And just being back on set and meeting everybody on set was just very surreal. I think I was just, the first few days were just like a little, okay, things are happening, I'm shooting, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm working with so many people. So I think it was that, and then the fact that I met everybody again, and like Adarsh literally stole my line. I was just thinking this. I was thinking about how it was literally a party for all the days we were shooting. हम vans के बीच के doors खोल देते थे और हम सब बैठ के बस chill कर रहे हैं और हम बकवास कर रहे हैं. Shubham has to say something and everybody is laughing. He says some really sometimes he just says something very problematic yet funny, and we're just laughing and we're like,
Yeah.
why are we laughing about this? He's just crazy. तो
सबके सब बकचोद हैं,
हाँ
सबके
हाँ
सब.
सब बकवास कर रहे हैं, सब हम हंसते जा रहे हैं. हम कुछ बीच में हम कैंपस में हम क्या कैच कैच खेल रहे थे. व्हाट वी वर प्लेइंग समथिंग. कोई तो हम कैच कैच खेल रहे हैं. कैंपस में बहुत सारी डॉग्स थे, उनके साथ हम हैंग आउट करते थे. तो बहुत मजा आता था. मतलब कुछ फील ही नहीं होता था कि आप शूट कर रहे हो. हम सिर्फ एक्शन के बाद पार्टी चल रही है, बस ऐसा हो रहा था.
Mm-hmm.
अबे खुद विराट भाई को शेरवानी पहननी पड़ी थी, तब जाके मिली थी अनुष्का भाभी.
कंघी कर लो ना. कंघी नहीं है
रूम में नहीं. लड़कियों के लिए साफ सफाई चॉइस नहीं, मैंडेट है. आई वोंट बी सरप्राइज इफ शी रिफ्यूजेस टू deflower you.
Others, coming back to you, when it comes to your character as Ankit, he is shown innocent, gullible, naive, and actually hopelessly romantic. How much do you connect with him in real life?
I do not connect with Ankit. I think I'm
Okay.
very. I mean, I have to because I'm playing him, but
Yeah.
I think we're very different people.
Yeah.
I think like the 10, 11-year-old Adarsh would be what the 19, 20-year-old Ankit is.
Mm-hmm.
But there are some moments in which I can relate to him. You know, his desire to sort of seek validation and to be
Yeah.
like known in college, and also like when he freshly moves into college and like he doesn't know anybody there. So like
Yeah.
so things like that I've also experienced in my life when I relocated from Jamshedpur to Bombay. But otherwise, I think we're very different individuals.
Okay. What about you, Ehsas? Because Akanksha is very confident, resilient, and at the same time, very, very charming. I mean, you are charming in real life too, but how much of Akanksha are you?
I think I'm not much of an Akanksha. I don't know about the charming part, but Akanksha is definitely
You are.
charming, and she's much more confident than I think Ehsas is. And there are so many things to her that are so different from Ehsas, and but there are, again, like others said, there are some instances where I was reading the script, and even while doing it, I was thinking how relatable this is and how I know how this feels. I know what she's talking about. So there were some things like that, definitely, but I think Akanksha is much more cooler than me, for sure.
Okay. So, coming back to the show again, the show has also spoken about ragging. Even though the way it has been portrayed looks really harmless, but again, what is your take on ragging culture in college?
Yeah, I think it's something that should be taken seriously. I mean, of course, when you see shows like Hostel Days and stuff, there, like, even though you feel like a lot of things are being said in a problematic way, or whatever,
Yeah.
when you actually think about it, all the characters are actually losers. You are never saying that what they are saying or what they are doing and how they are behaving is the right way to go. In fact,
Yeah.
somebody always makes fun of that behavior, and then that's when you realize that, oh shit, this is actually not problematic. They just show that this is how these guys behave, but at the end of the day उनका कट जाता है.
इन सब के सब को 24 घंटे लगातार पॉर्न दिखानी पड़ेगी।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर, सच्ची? थैंक यू।
अबे और ऑनी सेंस हाथ बांध के
अब बोल थैंक यू।
So yeah, I think ragging it's a serious issue, and it should not happen. I think people should be cognizant of the fact that saying something to somebody can affect them for a very long time.
True.
And what's being shown in the series, of course, is done in a very light-hearted way.
Yeah.
And we don't endorse and support it in any way.
बहुत प्लानिंग से रैगिंग हो रही है यहाँ पे। कंप्लेंट हुई है इस रूम की। आप पांचों को आना होगा।
तो शैगिंग का तो पता है, रैगिंग।
What about you, Akanksha? I'm so much in love with Akanksha. It's like I look at Ehsas and it's like I'm talking to Akanksha and not Ehsas.
Hey, nice. I like that. No, but it's definitely something that should be taken seriously, and it's not the right thing to do. But even when you see the episode, it's done in such a light and the intensity of whatever is happening is so
Very friendly, harmless. way, I would say.
I mean, it's done in the most harmless way for sure. And then you even see they get into trouble, and that is the funny part, and everything. And even the twist in the end is, I don't want to give any spoilers out, but there's like a twist, and things just take a whole different path altogether. So it's actually the episode is really fun, and it's very funny. So we are not really promoting anything. It's a ragging.
Yeah,
completely condemn it.
ये साला
अरे बैच ही बेकार आया है।
So, both of your characters are in a very unaccommodating yet a very conventional relationship, if I would say. So, what is your take on relationships which begin in college and then they become on and off? I need a girl's perspective as well as a boy's perspective on this.
I mean, some people find their partners early. Some people find love early in life, and good for them. Some people don't. I think to each his own. Whatever floats your boat, whatever is comfortable for you. Don't force yourself into anything just because other people are doing it.
But you did in the show.
As Ankit, that you should ask the writer and the director why it's like. But I don't think Ankit and Akanksha are in a very conventional sort of relationship.
No,
I think
it's conventional but unaccommodating, because that's not how a relationship should work.
Yeah, it's a very complicated relationship. In fact, in season 2, like, that bit is explored more than season 1.
तू उसका पर्स लेके भागा था के?
नहीं।
तो फिर उसने अचानक ब्रेकअप क्यों किया?
Like, their relationship, what does it actually mean? Are they even in a relationship? Or if they're in a relationship, then like, what is...
the first season, they don't even get into a relationship.
Yeah.
Just a crush that he develops, and things just take a whole different turn.
Yeah.
I think in season 2, you will be able to understand if they actually get into a relationship, or how they do, or what is actually happening. For now, I think they're just friends. They're, I think, I think season 1 was just ki friends hain do.
Season 1 ends on we're just good friends.
Yeah, they start talking, like they start talking to each other.
Yes.
Start talking to each other. So, wo hai to dekhte hain.
So, since most of your show's viewers are Gen Z and the millennials, is there a conscious responsibility about putting out friendly and firm stuff which comes with these shows, especially for Gen Z who are yet to experience college life?
I think the millennial and the Gen Z crowd is much smarter than my generation. They are much more aware. They are much more well-read, much more exposed to things than. I mean, even my generation, we did have internet while growing up. Like I started using internet when I was in the 6th standard or something, maybe 7th standard. But yeah, and also like whatever is being shown in the show is, as I said before, like the characters always fall flat on their face. Like even if they're doing something that is like that sort of forces you to think, or you're like, but why are they saying this? This doesn't sound fair, or this doesn't sound correct. But उनका कट जाता है लास्ट में. So they are losers only. They are a bunch of idiots.
That's true.
ऐसा कहीं नहीं दिखाया कि वो बहुत बड़े स्टड हैं कि उनको मतलब सब उनकी पूजा कर रहे हैं. वो बेवकूफी है और उनका कटता ही है. तो वही दिखा रहे हैं कि जीवन में अगर तुम ये करोगे तो तुम्हारे साथ यही होगा.
और जाकिर खान 3 स्टैंड अप स्पेशल, एक वेब सीरीज के 2 सीजन बनाकर सख्ती पे सख्ती सिखाया जा रहा है, लेकिन नहीं, हम तो कटवाएंगे.
So I think the Gen Z and the millennial crowd they don't need to be force fed and be told कि ये गलत है. उनको समझ आ रही है कि this is all shown in good humor.
Yeah. And also the show is set in a very real world. तो कहीं भी ऐसा नहीं दिखा रहे हैं. We are not showing anything that actually not happens. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि
that's true.
कि कुछ बहुत ही absurd दिखा रहे हैं. ऐसा कुछ बहुत ये सारी चीजें होती हैं हॉस्टल में, चाहे वो हल्की सी रैगिंग हो या वो लव हो या बहुत सी चीज, मतलब जो आप देखोगे शो में, it's set in a very real world. So I think people will relate a lot. They will be like, अरे हाँ ये हमारे साथ भी हो. And not just the Gen Z, but also like everybody else. मतलब older people will also go back and feel nostalgic. हाँ हमारे साथ भी होता था या ये. So हाँ.
So thank you so much Adarsh and Hesas, or Ankit and Akanksha, as I must say, for doing this with me. I had a great time interacting with you. I wish you all the best for season 2.